Hey everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how to make game pass on Roblox mobile. First of all, you have to open Roblox browser on your mobile. So you can open any browser and just go to roblox.com. Now once you are on the Roblox homepage, now if you are new on if you haven't logged in yet, just make sure to log in to reach this page. And once you log in, you just need to tap on this create tab over here. Now after that guys, you have to tap on this menu button, three bar, tap on it and just tap on this creation option. Now once we here in the experience, you have to be in the experience, and now just need to tap on this default experience here. Now once you here guys, just tap on this menu button again and scroll down, and you will see here under the monetization, you will see this passes option. Just tap on it. Now here, if you want to create your own game pass, just tap on this create a pass button, and you just need to enter the name of the game pass like SD1 or anything you want to write, and just enter the description here like demo, or if you want to leave it empty you can leave it, and just tap on this create a pass button. Once you create your own game pass, so it is not done yet, you have to tap on the game pass again and tap on menu and tap on the sale option here to make it for the sale, and just enable that item for sale and enter the price of the new game pass that you have created, like 20 robux. The price must be reasonable so anyone can donate you via this game pass. Just tap on save changes. Now after this guys, once you set up for the sale, now you can open any game, or you have to open please donate, and where you have to list your game pass here. So let's do that. Open please donate. Once you're in the game guys, you just need to look for any empty stand over here. Since the microphone is enabled in the game, so I have to voice over on this video. So just look for the empty stand, and just hold the stand button and your game pass will be listed here, and that's how you can add your game pass there as well. Hope you like it. If you have any doubt, you can ask in comment section. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.